pretty spicy, very delicious smoked lamb shank vindaloo. So full written recipe in the caption below, do read it. But making my own spice paste, I always try and do this when I'm making curry, way much fresher. Vinegar in the vindaloo, which may be weird, and I use half of it to marinate some lamb shanks. And the other half saved till later. And then I'm setting myself up an indirect fire on my Summit Kamado here, with a drip tray with water, shanks on the top, smoke it for like 4 hours, remove the tray, that is good gear, don't lose it. And then a wok in the middle, butter, bit of oil, the other half of the spice paste, just fry it out. Onions, tomatoes, green chillies, bit of sugar, stir it around, just soften it a bit, and then the smoked lamb back in, and that stock tray back in. So smoking and braising, I think, is one of my favourite barbecue techniques. It's the best of both worlds, and I will take these slow cooking cuts like shanks over steak any day of the week. Ooh. Straight off the grill, so hot. That meat is just falling apart tender and subtly smoky and really spicy, delicious.